Namaste to one and all. Every end marks a new beginning. Keep your spirit and determination unshaken, and you shall always walk the glory road. With courage, faith, and great effort, you shall achieve everything you desire. Student life is a time to study, play, and have fun. Strike a balance between all three, giving more importance to studies. Successful are those who never give up to difficult situations and problems. You have a lot of potential to make the impossible possible. Learn from your mistakes and accomplish your goals for future and have a happy life. You are supposed to let go of the past and start off new. You are supposed to forgive all those who have hurt you and be open to new relationships with open arms. That is why it is called the New Year. Be a person of high values and live with dignity. Wishing that this new year brings new hopes and new opportunity to all of you. Happy New Year. Thank you.
Was indeed a very surprising year. We all had a lot of hopes for this year, many of which came true, many didn't. So with the COVID-19 pandemic still lingering around, this year taught us a lot of things. This year taught us how to be patient, how to make use of each and every opportunity. This year taught us how to face even the most difficult circumstances. And above all, the most important thing that this year taught us is that we should never give up. It is never the end, and that we should always hope for the best. So we students of class 11 are presenting a small review of the year ended so that we can say goodbye to this year and welcome this coming new year.
Hello, I am January, the very first month of the year. My month makes some pretty significant days worth remembering. Let's see. January 1st, New Year's Day. Also, India begins the 2-year tenure as a non-permanent member of the UNSC. January 2nd, India approves 2 coronavirus vaccines for the emergency use. January 4, World Braille Day. Also, instant messaging app WhatsApp announced a new amendment in their privacy policies and data sharing norms. January 10, World Laughter Day. January 11, Death Anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. January 12, National Youth Day. The Supreme Court issues a stay order, thereby suspending the implementation of the 3 new farm laws in the wake of the ongoing farmer protest on this day. January 15, Indian Army Day. January 16, India government begins a mass vaccination campaign for COVID-19. January 23, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birth anniversary. January 25, National Voters Day and International Custom Duty Day. January 26, Republic Day. The 72nd Republic Day parade took place in New Delhi. Thousands of farmers protesting agriculture reforms descended on New Delhi's historic monument, Red Fort. Protesters scaled the historic monument's walls, raising a banner beside the India's national flag. January 27, International Holocaust Remembrance Day. January 28, birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai. January 30, Martyrs Day. This is all about what happened in my month.
Hi, I am February, the second month of the year, and today I am going to talk about all the events that had happened in the month of February. 1st February, Coast Guard Day. 2nd of February is World Wetlands Day. 4th February, World Cancer Day. And 6th February, International Day of Zero Tolerance to Female Genital Mutilation. 7th February, International Safer Internet Day. 11th February, World Day of the Sick. 12th February, Darwin Day, International Day of the Women's Health. 13th February, Sarojini Naidu's birth anniversary. 14th February, Valentine's Day. 15th February, International Childhood Cancer Day. 18th February, Taj Mahotsav. 28th February, Birthday of Social Justice. 21st February, International Mother Language Day. 22nd February, World Scout Day. 24th February, Central Exercise Day. 27th February, World Sustainable Energy Day. 28th February, National Science Day. That's all that had happened in the month of February. Thank you.
I am March. As you all know, nothing much happened on March. But on 20th March, Latrai Asabri selected as General Secretary of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. 26th March 2021, Mumbai hospital got fire breakout and 10 people passed.
Hello friends, I am April, the 4th month of the year. As my friends told, I also had some significant days in my month too. 1st April is observed as Orisa Day and Prevention of Blindness Day. It is also known as April Fool's Day. 2nd April, World Autism Awareness Day, International Children's Book Day. On April 3rd, 2021, Sukma Bijapur attack was ambush carried out by Naxalite Maoist insurgents from the Communist Party of India against security forces. 7th April, World Health Day. WHO was formed in 1948 on April 7. However, the first World Health Day was observed in 1950. 8th April 2021, a French online journal, Mediapart, came out with an investigative journalism based on the Prefield Day controversy based on an investigation by the French Anti-Corruption Agency. 10th April, World Homeopathy Day. 10th April, National Safe Motherhood Day. National Pet Day. The infamous Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on 13th April in Punjab in the year 1990. 14th April, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Remembrance Day. 17th April, World Hemophilia Day. 18th April, World Heritage Day. 21st April, National Civil Service Day. 22nd April, World Earth Day. On 23rd April, a fire in a hospital in Virar, Maharashtra killed 13 COVID-19 patients. On 24th April, 25 COVID-19 patients died in Jaipur Golden Hospital, Delhi, after the hospital ran out of their oxygen supply. 26th April, World Intellectual Property Day. 27th April 2021, the total number of deaths due to COVID crossed 2 lakh across the country. 28th April, World Day for Safety and Health at Work and World Veterinary Day. On 28th April 2021, an earthquake occurred in Assam, magnitude of 6. 30th April, Ayushman Bharat Divas. In 2021, on April 13th, a special bench of justices warned state government and police against clamping down on information for help through social media from citizens affected by COVID-19. The bench also questioned the lack of equity in vaccine pricing in the country.
Hello everyone. Well, I am May. I thought people would enjoy their holidays during my month, but that was not so. On 1st May, a huge fire broke out in Bharuch Hospital and that totally disappointed me. On 3rd May, Kerala's politician R. Balakrishna Pillai passed away. Well, on 5th May, Canada was the first country to authorize Pfizer COVID-19 vaccination for all children belonging to the age category of 12 to 15. Well, on 9th May, I was happy because I was able to see the happy faces of all the mothers of the world since they were celebrating Mother's Day. On 10th May, nearly 150 decomposed and bloated dead bodies were floating in river Ganges. It was believed that these human dead bodies belonged to the underreported death cases of COVID-19 pandemic, which happened in the nearby state of Uttar Pradesh. Well, these tragic incidents gave way to another one too. On 17th May, Cyclone Tokate hit India and that resulted in almost 90 deaths. Similarly, on 26th May, Cyclone Yas affected a major portion of Odisha and West Bengal. Well, I was not able to enjoy my month. Well, I hope I would be able to enjoy myself for my next birthday.
Hi friends, I am June. In my month, some significant days are 1st June, World Milk Day, Global Day of Parents, 5th June, World Environment Day, 7th June, World Food Safety Day, 7th June 2021, in Pune, a fire killed 18 people, 12th June, World Day Against Child Labour, 21st June, International Yoga Day, 23rd June, International Olympic Day, 26th June, International Day Against Drug Abuse, 27th June, European Union excludes anti-COVID-19 vaccine Covishield from Green Pass list. 3rd Sunday of June is observed as Father's Day.
Hello, I'm July, the 7th month of the year. Many significant days are observed on my month. July 1, World Doctors Day. July 2nd, UFO Day. July 4th, Independence Day of United States of America. July 6th, World Lunar Day. July 7th, World Chocolate Day. July 10th, Nikola Tesla Day. July 11th, World Population Day. July 12th, Paperback Day. July 15th, World Youth Skill Day. July 17th, World Day for International Justice. July 18th, International Nelson Mandela Day. July 22nd, Pi Approximation Day. July 26th, Kargil Victory Day. July 20th, World Hepatitis Day. July 29th, International Tigers Day. This is all about what happened in my month. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm August. So during 2021 August, India had won several achievements including the 7 Olympic awards. So during August 1, PV Sindhu had won bronze medal for our India in badminton. During August 4, boxer Lavina Borgohain had won bronze medal for our India. During August 5, Indian men hockey team had won bronze medal for our India, as well as Ravi Kumar Dahiya had won silver medal for boxing. And during August 7, which was a glorious day for August as well as for India, where Neeraj Chopra had won gold medal for javelin throw, as well as wrestler Bajrang Punia had won bronze medal for our India. So total 7 Olympic awards. And during August 10, Lok Sabha had passed 127th Constitutional Amendment Bill, and during August 11, Twitter had logged the official page of Indian National Congress. So that's it for August, and thank you and have a nice day.
September. On 11th September, Vijay Rupani, the Chief Minister of Gujarat, announced his resignation from the post. On 18th September, Sanjay Pugalia joins Adani Group to lead group's media initiatives. And Amarinder Singh resigns as Chief Minister of Punjab. On the 19th of September, Directorate of Revenue Intelligence has reported 2 containers carrying about 288 kilograms of heroin heading from Afghanistan to Mundra port in Gujarat. He is deemed as one of the largest drug seizures by an enforcement agency in the world till date. On the 20th of September, an eviction drive by Government of Assam as part of the Tirupati project of Sipaja in Darang district in the state of Assam turns viral. The videos of policemen firing on unarmed persons and a government-appointed photographer attacking an injured person surfaces and invites criticism. And Charanjit Singh appointed as Chief Minister of Punjab. He is the first Dalit Chief Minister of the state.
In the month of October, 8 people, including Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan, was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. On October 4th, in the Lankimpur Theri massacre, 8 people, including 4 farmers, were killed who were part of the Indian farmers' protest. On October 8th, Tata Group acquires 100% stake of Air India from the Government of India through its subsidiary Thales Private Limited. India breaches 1 billion COVID-19 vaccine doses administrated mark. These were the events which took place at October.
Hello, I am November, the 11th month of the year. I am here to say about some significance of the year, of this month. 5th November, PM Modi unveiled Adi Shankaracharya's statue in Temple of Shiva, Kedarnath, Uttarakhand, which was previously displayed in 2000 crashworks. 18 November, share prices of fund company Paytm, which are India's biggest initial public offering worth Rs 18,300 crores, fell by 27.4%. On its day of listing thereby, making one of the bigger listing lows in the history of India. 24 November, the price of tomato reaches Rs 100 mark in many Indian states. Right.
Hello, I'm December, the last month of the year. My friends have shared some of the events which they had. Now, let's have a look at some of the events which I had. December 1, World AIDS Day. December 2 to 6, Cyclone Jawad devastated the regions of Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal and Odisha. December 4, a special unit of Indian Army mistakenly opens fire against civilians in the Mon district of Nagaland and resultant clash between civilian protesters and the force. December 7, Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. December 8, the Chief Defence Staff Bipin Rawat and 12 others were killed in a chopper crash near Kurnool, Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. December 9, the 2020-21 Indian Farmers' Protest called off as government agrees to the demand of the farmers. December 13, Indian model Harna Sindhu wins Miss Universe. December 24, National Consumer Rights Day. December 25, Christmas and Good Governance Day. December 31, New Year's Eve. That's all about the events in my month. Thank you.
difference. New year, new me.
Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. New year, new me.
Honesty is the fastest way to prevent a mistake from turning into a failure. New year, new me.
Courage is resistance of fear, mastery of fear, not the absence of fear. New year, new me.
Loyalty is the strongest glue which makes a relationship last for life. New year, new me.
Please don't stay, please don't cry, guess it's just to move on. Please don't weep, please don't think, guess it's New Year, buddy. Mistakes can happen, it is just normal, no one is perfect. Even your shadow, you are not ugly, you are not creepy, guess it's New Year, buddy. Learn to forgive, learn to bystand, make you closer to just smile. Let this get into a last time for the sins to disappear. Close your eyes, let us pray for the nights and the great and the moments. Let it a deep sigh, make your heart melt, guess it's New Year, buddy.